Hello student, welcome to new class of practice at 6.6 and happy new year to you all and wish you a great learning journey ahead. Okay, so in last session we have finished till question number 2 of practice set 6.6. In this session we will cover the remaining question of practice set 6.6. Okay, then let's proceed and complete the question immediately. So question number 3 of practice set 6.6, here standard is given and number of trees is given, that nothing but frequency. So what you have to do, simply you have to find the angles and find the pie chart. It's very easy pie chart. Okay, as of now we understood that at least. So let's write the frequency and let's calculate the angle immediately. Okay, sum of the frequency is 360. Angle will remain same. Reason, because the denominator and numerator will get cancelled, so you'll get same angle. Even though I have written the calculation just to make sure we are on track, right? We are not missing any steps. Let's draw the pie diagram. So we got the pie diagram over here, right? So we just calculated the angles and we have drawn the pie diagram using proper tools. Tools can be protractor and scale, right? The best way. So we can figure out and write the values over here. So 40, 50, 75, 50, 70, and again 75. And what are these? These are the number of trees. So watching the diagram, so we can say that where we can see this particular sector, this and this has the equal number of trees. Perfect. So pi is very easy. So you have to just do a little things and you will get the diagrams. Okay, let's move to the next question. Next question is question number 4. Question number 4, the following table shows the percentage of demand for different fruit registered with the fruit vendors. Again, different types of fruit is given and the demand is given. What you have to do, you have to write the frequencies and calculate the angles and draw the pie diagram. Isn't it very simple? That's the only thing you have to do. No formula, nothing. Okay, let's write the demands quickly. And what is sum of this? So after adding, it will be 100. So 100 is the total sum. Now what next you have to do? You have to find the angle. How? Using one little formula. So it says that what? Same, which you have done previously also. 30 divided by 100 into 360. Slow. Quickly calculate the number of angles. We got the angles. Now what next you have to do? You have to just find the pie diagram, which is the easiest thing you have to do. Pause the video and try to find the pie diagram by yourself. I'll post the solution. Here is the pie diagram. Okay, so let's write the values quickly and you'll understand. I think you have got the same values, right? You will get same diagram at your end the moment you'll do it by yourself. If not, check this solution and you can try. So this is the pie diagram and we found the percentage of demand, and we can see the moment we look into it, 10 is the highest percentage and 36 is the lowest one. Okay, perfect. It's very easy. Now move to next question, question number 5 of this particular practice set. And here you don't have to draw, you have to read and find the answer. Okay, let's read the question. The pie diagram in the figure shows proportion of different workers in a town. Okay, and what is the question? If the total worker is 10,000, how many of them are in the field of construction? Look at the question. So this kind of question we have not done previously in the example set, right? No, we have done it. Again, it's the same thing, only the twisted part. That's the reason I have not covered, just to not to confuse you, right? Remember how we find the angles? How we find the angles? Theta, for example. Okay, let me bring the formula, then understand how we find the angle. So number of score in the component divided by number of scores into 360. Now what you have to find, as per this questions, you have to find the how many them are in the field of construction. So you have to find this what number of score in the component, this thing you have to find. And what is given now? Angle is given, total number of score is given, that is 10,000. right? So now you have to find this. There is no separate formula for it, so don't get confused with a lot of formula. So just remember only one formula. Now here what you have to do, just substitute the values. What is the value? 72 is the angle. Number of scores in the component that you have to find, the construction part, let's say x. Total is given 10,000 into 360. Now calculate and get the answer. Isn't it simple? So do not try to remember a lot of formulas. Just cancel something. See here, 10 got cancelled. 36 twos are this side also got cancelled. So x is equal to 2 into 1000. So our answer will be 2000. Isn't it very easy? So do not get confused with a lot of formula. Let's see what is question number 2. How many workers are working in administration? Now considering same 10,000, you have to find how many worker working in administration. So administration angle is how much? 36. Let's say how we will solve this. Let me write the answer over here for this one. Okay, same thing. Let's say same thing here. Angle just gets changed. So angle is what? 36. Okay. So what you can do now? Cancel this. Cancel this. 36 will get cancelled with this. So remaining is what? Thousands. X equal to 1000. Now this answer is 1000. That's it. Very simple, right? Do not get confused. Now next, what is the percentage of worker in production? In production, how many workers there? What is the percentage? They're asking the question. A little bit difference. No, they're asking the percentage, right? So percentage, so number of workers you have to find first in production. Then you have to find the percentage against the total number of worker. So find the percentage. To find, you have to first find the total number of worker in production. How to find total number of worker in production? First you have to use the same formula to get the number of workers in production. And how, what is the angle of production? 90. Okay, let's write that. So now you have to choose 90 and try to cancel. What you can cancel here? 0 you can cancel. Okay, what else you can cancel easily? 18 twos are 18 fives are. Now I'll write all the components together. So x is equal to 5 into 1000 divided by 2, and this will get cancelled further, 500. So x is equal to how much? 2500. Now x 2500 is what? Number of worker in production. Now you have to find the percentage. How to find the percentage? 2500 is what is the percentage of 10,000. I am sure you know how to calculate the percentage, but here I can write 2500 divided by 10,000 into 100. This is where you can find the percentage. You can cancel a lot of stuff. So remaining 100, and if you cancel 20 again, so it will be 25%. So answer of this will be 25%. Our concept is good, so that's the reason we are able to find the answer very quickly and without any much effort. Let's jump to question number 6. Similar thing, you don't have to draw, you have to find the answer. The annual investment of a family are shown in the adjacent pie diagram. Answer the following question based on it. If the investment in shares is 2000 rupees, so shares investment is 2000 rupees. Find the total investment. Again, same formula, you don't have to waste your time. So what is the formula? Angle is equal to component. So component is already given. What is the value of this component? Shares 2000. Okay. And what is it total? You have to find. Angle is always 360. But here in this case, angle is also given. How much? 60 is the angle. So let's write the value 60. Okay. Now write all the element at one side and try to cancel most of the things. Now 60 will come to right hand side. Go to denominator. 360. Now see what we can cancel. 0 for sure, 6 for sure. Remaining is 2000 into 6, that is 12,000. So 12,000 is the total value of this diagram, and then this is your answer. Okay, simple. Now let's move to the next question. How much amount is deposited in bank? Now we got the total things 12,000. Now they're asking how much amount deposited in bank. Now what value you have to change here in this case? Angle for sure you have to change. Now this time x is something different. Okay, let's erase this completely and write the formula again just to not get confused. Angle now this time in the bank is 90 is equal to x, you have to find, divide by total 12,000 into 360. Now write all the element at one side. Just for simplification, say x equal to 90 into 12,000 divided by 360. Let's cancel. So what you can cancel? This 0 can get cancelled. 9 fours are right 36 and 4 threes are 1200. The what is the remaining? X is equal to 300 into 10. So 3000. So answer question number 2 is 3000 rupees deposited in the bank, right? What is the next question? How much more money he is invested in immovable property than in mutual fund? Immovable property is what? 120. Now they're asking the difference. How much more money invested in immovable property than the mutual fund, right? Then you have to calculate the values of both mutual fund as well as immovable property. Let's find that quickly. To get the immovable property value, just change the angle here to 120. Rest of things will remain same. Now calculate. What you can cancel here? 0 will get cancelled with this 0, and rest you can write at one side. So x is equal to 120 into 1200 divided by 36. What else you can do? So 12 tens are 12 threes are 3 fours are, and answer will be 4000. And what is this 4000? 4000 is the value of immovable property investment. So this is 4000. Now next we have to calculate the values of mutual fund. We have to just change the angle to 60 and rest of the things will remain as it is. Let's do that. Let's write, I have written 60. 60 is for mutual fund. Let's write all element at one side to calculate. So 60 into 12,000 divided by 30, 360. Let's cancel. This get cancelled. This 6 tens are 60, 6 6 are, and 620. So answer will be here is equal to 2000. 2000 is the value of mutual fund. Now they're asking the difference between the mutual fund and immovable properties. So immovable properties is 4000 minus mutual fund investments equal to 2000. So answer for this will be 2000. Easy. Now come to the last question. How much amount is invested in post? This is very straightforward. You have to just change the angle and find the answer. Okay, do this. I'll post the answer. Freeze this video and try this by yourself. Welcome back. I hope you got the same answer of 1000 right in the post. Done. So we completed practice set 6.6. Next is the problem set, but there is a catch. I'm not going for problem set as immediately. So reason, we have exams coming forward. Now we have to proceed with the question paper first for on priority. But in case if any student needs problem set 6 to be solved earlier, let me know in comment. I'll definitely post the video for them. Okay, otherwise I'll be posting the question papers for statistics, then entire full question paper of mathematics. Till then, share to your friend, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and keep learning and keep exploring. Let's meet in the next video.